Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do a little bit of a change up here from Kevin's normal routine. We're going to have to do what is called a low show. As you can see, we don't have a lot of altitude today, so we got to do a low show. Coming in from the right, here's Kevin Russo, the SNJ-5 Kevin was 15 years old when he started to fly. He soloed on his 16th birthday, got his pilot's license at 17. He went on to get his commercial instrument, multi-engine instructor ratings by the age of 19. He now holds commercial glider, helicopter, and ATP ratings and has logged over 23,000 hours of flight time. Now, he joined the United States Air Force Reserve when he was 22, went to pilot training at Williams Air Force Base in Arizona. He is a veteran of operations in Panama, Desert Shield, Desert Storm, Restore Hope, Just Cause, Noble Eagle, Anaconda, Enduring Freedom, and most recent Operation Iraq and Freedom. Coming in from the right, let's pay attention to Kevin and his next maneuver. He's diving down, picking up a little bit of extra airspeed. Wait for him to reach the nose zone. Precisely every 90 degrees there. Now it's real easy to do with this airplane. You just dive down, get a little speed, pull back. You push the stick over into your left knee and hold it for a little bit and then stop. Alright, Kevin's going to come around from the left. Get those cameras and camcorders ready because he's coming around for another photo pass. For those of you who didn't get it the first time. Now the beautiful part about this airplane is the engine and see what happens is the color on this airplane will spin so fast that the tips of the blades, he breaks the speed of sound with the propeller tip. Makes quite a racket. You heard that when the jerks took off earlier today. Now you'll hear the rapping sound of the propeller, but that deep throaty rumble afterwards, that's the actual sound of the Pratt & Whitney R1350 engine. The R stands for radio. It means these cylinders are arranged in a circle around the crankshaft. Let's keep an eye out for this next maneuver. There's one. Oh, he's not going to ask for some roll. He's just going to roll the airplane. Oh, he's playing Stump the Announcer today. I'll get you for that, Kevin. All right, so he's going to fly the low show today, and that's all right. At 1340, stands for 1,340 cubic inches, generating about 600 horsepower. Now, the thing you have to bear in mind with this airplane is it weighs in at 5,300 pounds. Think Cadillac Escalade SUV. There's the picture. There's 2. There's 3, and there's 4. Unfortunately, he can't do all of the aerobatic maneuvers that he would like to do today because of the low cloud ceiling. Otherwise, he'd be looping this airplane all over the sky. But because the clouds are so low, once again, the FAA states, thou shalt not fly through clouds. So Kevin here, being mindful of safety, is doing exactly that. He is not flying through the clouds. He's going to bring the airplane around for a landing. I always thought this airplane was a big lumbering beast, just waiting to fall out of the sky as Kevin brings it around for another photo pass. It's a big airplane. It weighs a lot. But I was very surprised. Rumble of the engine. When I logged that hour of flight time in an AT-6, I was impressed. I always thought this airplane, big, lumbering beast, waiting to just fall out of the sky. Nope. I was so wrong, it wasn't funny. Fly this airplane, and it certainly shows. All right, ladies and gentlemen, from the right, here's Kevin Russo, the AT-6. Now, there were several variants of this. There was the AT-6, the SNJ, and the Harvard. The first one, the AT-6, was U.S. Army Air Force. The SNJ was the Navy version. The Harvard was the version used by the Royal Canadian Air Force. There were some big differences in the Harvard because it gets kind of chilly up there in Canada in the wintertime. Here's Kevin. He's got her down on the ground, holding that tail up. Oh, he's got the tail down. Ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you, all of the Jersey Jerks today, they all get a 10 from me on the landing. They have done such a great job with it. Now, Kevin is going to taxi by here. Do me a favor. As he goes by, we'll wave at him, let him know just how much you appreciate him flying here out here today. And not to mention that the other Jersey Jerks as well. They're having fun here as well.